Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar Dattatreya Bhagat and today is 15th of March 2022 and it's my original video. So our today's topic for study is thread scheduler and daemon thread. So actually, so we will look one by one. So this thread scheduler and daemon thread actually come in the multi-threading concept. So in short, we will see first of all what is multi-threading. As we know, there is an multitasking process. Means at the same time we are performing and different tasks at the same task. So in Java, there are two processes by for achieving this multitasking can be done. That is multiprocessing and multi-threading. So in multiprocessing, we are actually working on a different we can say that processes that is called as multiprocessing. And the concept of multi-threading is we are studying on a single process on threads. We are studying on a thread. So where this is useful when actually we are developing games or doing some other activities at that time we have to work on a single threads that is called as multi-threading means every thread is doing their own kind of work, so that is called as multi-threading. So while working on a multi-threading, we are actually working on a threads. So suppose we are having an five threads. So actually when we execute our program at that time the thread the actually the thread there is a thread scheduler part of means point of view. The thread scheduler decides which thread first of all should be run or executed. Actually it is not a programmer's point of view. The thread scheduler decides which thread should be executed first. So this totally work has been done by thread scheduler. Then we are having actually take an example. If we are having an five threads. So that is take an example that is T1 thread, T2 thread, T3, T4, and T5. Then this all these threads were in our point of view. That is we can think that the thread one should run first or thread 2 should run second time, but like this not happens. Actually while we execute the program at that time the JVM in the JVM the thread scheduler does the work of execution. The thread scheduler is also not fixed. That is, it works on first come first come first serve. Which threads come first at that time it executes. It is not means fixed that suppose at the first time the thread one will execute first. At the when we will execute again, then it is not mandatory that that only thread will execute first. So it is depend upon our our compiler. So that is a thread scheduler part. So we can schedule this thread like we can put or we can put an thread slicing. So what is meant by thread slicing? We are slicing it in a means we are giving some take an example of 2 seconds between two threads. So at that time this first thread will get the 2 second times to execute. Then if it is then its time is over, then the next thread will execute. So like this we can do an thread slicing also. So again, the next part is that the daemon thread. So what is meant by daemon thread? Daemon thread means there is one an execution thread which is ongoing running, and in background each and every thread is been daemon thread. Means in background all threads are actually running. So that all are daemon thread. If we'll take an day-to-day life example, then suppose we are having an means take an example of actor. Actor means actor is performing on the stage, but at the back end there are a producer, director, cameraman, musician, or whatever another team. So they are actually they are also running at the background for that task for that task. So we can say that as an that as an deadlock, that as a daemon thread. So in daemon thread, we can also set an daemon thread by a set daemon method, and we can also check whether a thread is a daemon or not by is daemon thread. So these two methods are generally used to set the daemon thread or to see whether the thread is a daemon or not. So just we have to declare these methods while we are declaring the while we are declaring or creating the thread. At that time, just behind that, we have to just write that that is set daemon. Like this we can set and daemon thread. So this is all about the thread scheduler and the daemon thread. Thank you.